Today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create 300 DPI images for your project. And in order to do this properly, this is for um, going to be have the option for Canva Pro account holders. I don't think you can do this with a free version. So here I just have a simple image, on a logo size canvas. Then I'm going to click share on the top right. Then I'm going to click download and I'm going to keep it PNG. And I'm going to increase the size all the way to 3.125. And you will see here the size increases by a lot. I'm going to download it to my computer and I'm going to open it up. And here you will see that it's opened up, and I'm using a Mac, and I'm going to click show the inspector. And here you will see image DPI and it says 300 pixels. So that's what you want. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. You just create your images here in Canva, and when you download them, it's going to ask you, to increase the size, and you just want to move that all the way to the very end as far as Canva will let you do. And then that will ensure that you have 300 DPI images. And that's it. If you want to see anything else in particular, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow for the next tutorial. Bye.